In ReactJS, inline styles are specified with an object. So over here you can see that we have created an object called div style, and we have provided some of the properties of style attribute. So over here you can see that the keys that we have specified are basically camel cased version of this style name. So you can see the WebKit transition. This is an exception over here. So this one is the only lowercase vendor prefix. Apart from this, if you want to specify background image, in that case the property will be something like this: background and then image. So you can see that next word will have its first letter capital. So that's how the camel casing works. And here you can specify the URL in a very similar way as we have defined above. So you can say image URL. Here the no repeat tag will not be there, as it's only part of the background property. So this way you can define a background image. So let's remove this for now. And you can see that once you have defined this object, we are making use of it as a simple property. So style is the name of the property, which is by default a property of div tag. So we have defined it over here, and then the values are passed over here inside curly braces. So one thing you have to note over here, the height attribute, you can see we've provided it as 60, and we have not specified the px value with this. ReactJS automatically appends pixel to this value. So if I run this in browser, you'll see it in this way. And here if you see the properties, color we have specified, then height, you can see px is automatically appended to it. Then we have the background URL, no repeat, and WebKit transition set to all. So WebKit is for Chrome, Firefox, and MS transition is for Internet Explorer. So that's why this one is not applied in this browser. And that is how you basically apply inline styles to elements that you define inside the render function. So here you're returning the element, and this is how you specify inline style attribute to that particular element which is being returned from the render function.